Coding with a small font size is really a trouble, especially for the beginners. You've been using Eclipse for Java programming but still don't know how to make the Eclipse GUI look better? Don't worry, today I'm gonna show you how to customize the font size and font type in Eclipse editor. Hey, how is it going? It's Anthony with Take a Sip, helping you step-by-step master Java programming. And if you're new here and you're into programming, please consider subscribing. If your Eclipse GUI look a little bit unreadable like this, you can follow this step to make it look nicer. So first go to Window and select Preferences. And in the general option, click the arrow and click the arrow next to Appearance to choose the color and font. So inside here, you can choose the extend the basics option and choose the text font and click Edit. So in here you can choose the font size. So for example, I choose 16 and click OK and I click Apply and Close. So you will see the font for the editor is increased. So if you want to make these text inside the console look nicer, you can choose Window and Preferences. So inside the debug option, you choose the console font and click Edit. So you can choose, let's say for example 16 and OK and click Apply and Close. So these text right here is increased. Okay. If you still haven't satisfied with your Eclipse looking and you're still find these parts are very small for you, you can choose Window again and select Preferences. And in here you choose inside the text and editor folder, you choose the part, you choose the tree and table font for view and click Edit. And in here you choose the bigger size for the font. So click OK and select Apply and Close. So you will see these texts are bigger now. Okay. And you can customize the font for the text editor. So in here choose Window and select Preferences. So inside the Appearance and choose the text font and click Edit. So right in here you can choose your font. So I usually use Consolate and click Apply and Close. So it looks a little bit nicer here. Okay. And if this tutorial is helpful, smash the like button and share if you think it can help someone you know. You could be anywhere in the world, but you are here today. I really appreciate that.